Baby plants. Baby plants are seeds, nuts and peas. Baby plants start to grow when the weather gets warm in spring. Start to grow is called germination. Germination. Yes, the seed can last for years sometimes. Some seeds, really hard seeds, can last years and years and years waiting for the right warmth and for water. Desert seeds can last decades waiting for rain because you need rain, water and oxygen in order to germinate. So seeds in space won't germinate because there's no oxygen, no matter how much rain they get. Anyway, yes, they're the three things they need. Seeds need warmth, water and oxygen to germinate. Yeah, they need the oxygen because they have to do respiration, the keeping alive reaction, to give them energy to start growing. And then, after they've grown a leaf, that's when plants do their first photosynthesis. The warmth and water tell the seed that the conditions are right for leaves to gather light and make food from water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Yes. Yeah, if you're a seed in the desert, you don't want to waste your chance of growing when there's no water around. It's like, oh no, you've missed your chance. Wait until it rains. Or if you're a seed in England and it's a middle of winter, you don't want to start trying to grow a leaf in the middle of winter and underneath all the snow and stuff. No. Too cold. Wait until spring happens. Seeds are clever. Making food from light, water and carbon dioxide is called photosynthesis. Yeah, that's the plant thing that they do in their leaves. It would be nice to make photosynthesis. It would be nice to make food by photosynthesis by laying still in the sun, waiting for rain and for carbon dioxide to diffuse towards me. Yes. It's kind of a nice, restful way of getting your food. Diffusion is the random movement of gases. When it is warm, atoms and molecules move faster, so there are more molecule collisions per second. Collisions. Oh, hold on. Underliney. Underliney. Oh, I wonder if I've missed any. More collisions per second makes diffusion and photosynthesis faster in the warmth of spring. Seeds need to grow leaves, so each seed has a food supply of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. The seed turns the carbohydrates into energy so that it can burst into life. Oh, can you see that? Turning carbohydrates into energy is called respiration. Respiration. Underline hydrates. You do respiration with the carbohydrates you eat to get the energy to live and move. Yes, all living things do respiration. It's the being alive reaction. To prove that seeds do respiration, put them in a cone-shaped glass container called a conical flask. Conical, yes, just like a cone, as in ice cream cone. Apart from this case, the cone is pointing downwards. Conical flasks. Conical flasks are cone, and then the toppy bit. So it's a cone. Ice cream cone is this way up. Do you know what? I'm not sure I've drawn an ice cream cone very well. There you go, ice cream cone. Connect glass tubes to a suction pump. Running water out of a tap makes a good suction pump. Air gets sucked through a test tube of potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. Oh. Underliney. Potassium. Yes, the ash of pots. Potassium hydroxide makes potassium is the ash of pots. You get lots of potassium in the ash of pots. That's where it was first discovered. Potassium hydroxide absorbs the carbon dioxide in the air that you just breathed out. Now the air has no CO2, because if you put it through potassium hydroxide, all the CO2 gets absorbed. It goes through lime water to prove it has no CO2. Carbon dioxide makes colourless lime water go the colour of milk. Yeah, lime water goes milky. Oh, that lime water, I think, is one word. Editing. Now the air goes through the warm, wet, germinating seeds, then through a second test tube of lime water to prove that the seeds are releasing CO2. So they are respiring. To prove that peas make heat by respiring, put a thermometer in a conical flask with a cotton wool top so that oxygen can diffuse in. Boiled peas do not make heat because they do not respire, because they do not germinate, because they are dead. So yes, they would be the control. You'd have some peas doing the respiration thing over there and getting warm, and some boiled peas, dead, not doing any respiration, staying at room temperature. Boiling, not germinate, not respire, because dead. On the back of this sheet, draw the diagram of the experiment that proves that germinating peas produce carbon dioxide. Use long tubes to make the air go through the liquid and short tubes to collect the gas. Draw a bung with 2 tube holes in all 3 test tubes and a conical flask. Compare your diagram with a Google diagram. Yes! Search it on Google! Cool! Draw your diagrams and put them in the comments. Press my picture for more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!